Hey, what's going on? Are you a new solar consultant and you're getting frustrated because you're sitting down with homeowners and the homeowners are all telling you, hey, this sounds great, but I have to think about it. And the more homeowners you sit down with, you're getting more and more frustrated because you feel like you don't have the tools to close the deal and you don't also have the right information to handle any objections that the homeowner throws at you. Or maybe you're a canvasser and you've been knocking on doors and you've been setting appointments for a few months now, and the solar company you're working with is promising you that eventually if you hit these milestones, you're going to be able to close your own deals and you can be eventually a consultant. And you've hit the milestones and you're still being dragged around and strung by a string, and for some reason they're just not promoting you. Or maybe you just want to get started in the solar industry. Maybe you've heard a few friends that's doing amazing and you're just wondering, like, where do I start? My name is James Ramos. I've been in the solar industry for the last 8 years, and 6.5 years out of the 8 years, I haven't stepped foot inside a homeowner's house. I've been blessed enough to do all of my consultations and close deals via online meeting. Just as long as I have a Wi-Fi and a laptop connection, I'm ready to do business. So I want to invite you to a free 5-day live boot camp that I'm having. It's gonna be all done online in a Facebook group, and keep in mind it's absolutely free. So if you want to start closing deals and learn the methodologies that I use to close deals via online meeting, or you want to be able to close deals right away because you're a canvasser and you're just tired of being strung along, or maybe you're just getting started and you want a little taste on what it's gonna take to close deals because you don't want to quit your day job right now, right? If you're working, stay where you're at and learn and see if the solar industry is even for you. So go ahead and click the button right underneath this video and register for this free 5-day boot camp. And I'm going to teach you everything that I know and what we teach our current students in our solar university, and you're going to get it absolutely free. So go ahead and click the button now, register for a 5-day boot camp. All the details, the time, the dates will be in the registration form as soon as you register. And keep in mind, it's absolutely free, right? There's no risk to you, but a lot to gain. Other than that, look forward to seeing you in the boot camp. Goodbye for now.